The main goal of our project was to make an interactive program for all the Python skills that we have been accumulating during the software design class at Olin. We decided that our interactive program is us building a game. So we wanted to create a game that emphasizes humor within its core element, as lately there has been a huge game breakthrough that Lily, Brooklyn, and I, the Meerkats, were competing over. Obama Run is an infinite runner game that has Obama running and avoiding geometric obstacles of himself. Now, it may be hard for us to create such a masterpiece as this game Obama Run has an average rating of 4.9 out of 5 stars on the App Store, with reviews such as life-altering and help me achieve enlightenment. We needed an iconic figure that has such a crucial role in many people's college lives if we wanted to create our own Obama Run. Introducing Steve, Olin Sofdesk professor, who, through a quick interview, we found that he isn't the biggest fan of Mark Zuckerberg. Taking inspiration from Obama Run, our main character that the user can control is Steve. In Steve Run, poor Steve is stuck at Facebook headquarters and has to dodge Mark Zuckerberg and their helicopters where they are all trying to get him to work at Facebook.
As a general overview of the code structure, we have one model class containing all stored information and necessary getter and updater methods, as well as multiple controller and view classes for each of the 3 objects we need to consider within the game. Those 3 objects are the character, aka Steve, the background, and the obstacles. The character runs horizontally and can jump and crouch based on keyboard controls, space and shift, or up and down. These inputs also affect the view, changing the vertical position and images for Steve for the duration of the input. The background is programmed to scroll infinitely and speed up as the game progresses. Along with the scrolling background, we have various obstacles in the form of images of Mark Zuckerberg that are generated during specific ranges of time, and they also scroll with the background. If the character contacts an obstacle, the game is over and the menu screen is redisplayed.
How to play the game. The game starts with a menu screen that instructs you to press any keys to start the game. Then you are taken to the game itself where Steve is automatically running. You press the space key to jump for when you want to avoid Mark Zuckerberg, and a shift key for when you want to crouch to dodge the flying Meta's helicopter. On the upper right hand corner, there's a score that increases every second that you are still in the game. Once you either touch the Meta's helicopter or meet Mark Zuckerberg by touching him, your character Steve dies and the menu screen pops up. It will showcase your score and promptly asks if you want to play again. So you press any keys to start a new game. And that's Steve Run.
Throughout the project of building Steve Run, there were a lot of skills that we had to learn to get to the final build of Steve Run. For the art aspect of the game, specifically the background, we had to learn how to draw in a pixel-like art style on Procreate. We learned how to design our own special brush type that would pixelate each paint stroke to get the style we wanted. Surprisingly, we were able to pick up Pygame pretty fast, as there were so many tutorials that we could find on YouTube that helped us understand the module much better. However, if we wanted to make Steve Run more like the 3D mobile app Obama Run, then Pygame wouldn't be the best module to use, since it's optimized for 2D games. Lastly, another key takeaway was being able to get Steve to perform an action based on the user's input. The spacebar or the shift key would set a specific action like jumping or crouching to be true. If we were to continue building this game, we would love to add a second floor where Steve can jump on and run further. This would allow us to create more dimensionality in our game, making it more engaging. I hope you enjoy our journey into building Steve Run, and if you want to try it for yourself, check out the website we made for it with instructions on how to set it up in the link below this video. Have fun, and go out there and dodge those Zuckerbergs.